To engage learners in a training or an online e-learning context is to use emotional connection where possible. It stimulates recall as well if it's attached to a level of emotion. So an example of how you could do that, the team were working on a project the other day in a retail context, and the topic was educating people on how and the process and the importance of rotating stock, to move stock off the shelf and rotate stock. So rather than just factual information of processes and procedures and theory, so to speak, we used an opportunity to introduce a character, a tomato, and then build a level of emotional connection with this tomato. It may sound odd, but building a level of rapport and emotional connection with a tomato, because other tomatoes would come in and then the tomato they'd get sold, and this tomato would be starting to get old and unwanted and not feeling the love, so to speak. So we use that emotional connection with the tomato to explain the value of and the importance of rotating stock. So that was just a little one example, but there's plenty of examples out there if you're telling stories and able to leverage the value of emotion and emotional connection with the story. Then the learners are far more likely to remember it and find it a lot more engaging to learn through. Hopefully that's helpful, and if you get the opportunity, leverage the value of emotional connection.